You don't have to worry about your goods once you have entrusted us with them. They are always under our watchful eye thanks to the live GPS tracking by our team. In our team, there are operators who have spent over 20 years. All our operators are trained and certified. Rest easy. You can safely stuff or de-stuff your containers now. We also have the haulier liability insurance for the safety of your goods we carry. We have our own workshop for preventive maintenance. It's better on the ground.